What's up YouTube, my name's Jason and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a beautiful walnut and jarrah chopping board out of offcuts I had lying around. First I'll choose some pieces of scrap from the pile, then I'll take them over to the table saw and cross cut them into nice pieces. Then I'll rip them to width and take them over to the assembly table. The idea here is to cut small legs out of the jarrah strips that protrude from the bottom of the chopping board, raising it off the surface and giving it a modern look. This is a big mistake, as you'll see later, but we'll go with it for now. After marking out the legs, I'll take the jarrah strips over to the bandsaw to rough cut them. Then, at the spindle sander attachment for my drill press, I take them down to the right shape and get them all ready. I'll put all the pieces into some clamps and glue them up. I'm not sure what happened to some of my footage here, but you get the idea. Once the glue is dried, I'll take it over to the work table to flatten it out. I don't have a thickness planer, so I'm using a belt sander. Sanding it nice and flat is one of the most satisfying parts of this project for me. I love going from an uneven and rough surface and watching it just become beautiful and smooth right before my eyes. I'll take it down to 60, then 120 grit before taking it to the table saw to trim the edges. After trimming the edges, I'll take it over to the disc sander and round off those corners as well. Proper planning instead of doing it on the fly might have saved me here. I have no idea how to get the underside nice and flat with those legs in the way. Maybe when I get a nice jack plane or something I could make it a bit simpler. My little detail planes don't exactly do the job here, and I was having a way too hard of a time trying to use a chisel. Sanding it also didn't seem to do much, but I got it to a point where I was happy enough. Finally, after standing the top to 240, I wipe on 2 coats of mineral oil, letting it dry between. For my first chopping board, I'm actually really happy with how it came out. The walnut heartwood has really pops around the jarrah pieces and make a great addition to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, I'll be doing at least one a month for 2018. Hope to see you again, and thanks for watching.